Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I want to welcome you to my Halloween goodie haul. I got some cool things for Halloween from different stores, and I want to show you the first thing I got from Aldi's for like 30 bucks. Look at this. I got a skeleton. Oh. Yep. Let's see. It says it's a posable skeleton, 5 feet tall, loop at the top for easy hanging, indoor or covered outdoor use. Oh, I see. Okay, let's free his arms. He's got these twist type things on here. And this one. Oh, okay, it clicks. Hear that? Kind of scary. Makes you think you're breaking it, but you're not. Okay, take these tags off. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Got this one off. This off. Oh. Well, his hips don't lock into place. I wish they did. But it's pretty cool. I can find a way to stabilize him with a pole on the back. I'll probably paint it black so you can't see it. But yeah, this is the first time I've gotten a life-size skeleton. This is so cool. Oh, and look at this. I got these cool mugs. Aren't these cool? Look at that. These were $5 at Walmart. I think they're pretty cool. I put a little tea light in one. I'm gonna turn. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. There. I got a little tea light down in there. Can you see it flickering? Wait. There we go. See? That's not gonna sit in place. But in the dark, it shows up pretty good. Let me see if I can do that. Ooh. See? Wow. That's pretty cool. I think these are really cool. And the witch's cauldron. Speaking of witch's cauldrons, hold on. Look, it's a misting witch's cauldron. Can you see the smoke coming over the top? It is so cool. You can set this on top of your countertop like I got, or maybe in the middle of your appetizers or Halloween goodies for your Halloween party. I think this is so cool. And this was $5. I got it at the $1.25 and up section of the $1.25 store. It's not the dollar store anymore. And of course, my witch's cauldron with my little tea light in it. And my little pumpkin. Love a pumpkin. You know what? I got something else to show you. I got these cool little tombstones online from Temu. They're like a corrugated foam board. Can you see that? But they're pretty cool. They'll look cool at night. For my little cemetery, I got that one with the skulls. Oh, I got a Grim Reaper. Ooh. Another Grim. I like this one. They're pretty reflective at night, so when the light hits them, they're going to show up pretty good. Then we got a Rest in Peace tombstone. And I got another one. And then, from the dollar store, I got these. They're not bad. I'm going to take the plastic off and put them out there. I'm going to reinforce these because, believe it or not, these ones with the corrugated foam board like are a bit sturdier. And I got this one too. Yeah. So I'm going to reinforce these with more foam. But the corrugated foam board ones come with these like straw-like things that hold them in place. And they're pretty sturdy. From Temu. Not sponsored. But who do? I mean, I like them because they're weatherproof. So, yeah. And I got a coup de grace thing to show you that a friend of mine got me at the end. But let me show you what I got here in the window. Look at that. I got that at the $1.25 store. It was just $1.25. Motion activated. Excuse me. Then we got a nice jack-o'-lantern at the second-hand shop. You know what? I'm going to put a flashing light under him. And he's got fiber optics in him. And they glow with a light under there. They make different colors. Then look at this. I'm going to turn the light off so you can see. We got a nice garland at the top. Had to put the light back on. Look at the garland we took and put at the top. Looks like real stuff. And look, we got a skeleton hanging up. And then, of course, I got the smaller skeleton, which you've seen. Isn't he cool? Yeah, we're going to put him in the front. Speaking of which, let me show you what a friend gave me. Ta-da! I love the pumpkins beside her. She's the fortune teller. Wait, let me turn her on.
You worry so much about money. Why? You must understand, old friend. By the time you can make ends meet, they move the ends.
Nieces and nephews, this stuff is so cool. That fortune teller, oh my God, that was so cool. My hair is all over my head. Now, we're going to do some decorating in another video. Really, Icebox, cut it out. We're going to do some decorating. It hurt me. We're going to do some decorating in another video. But right now, let's do some soup recipes for fall and maybe even a nice Halloween party. Come on, join me at the stove.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Go to the next video for the pot pie.